Welcome! In this video, we will learn how to select atoms in the workspace and change their appearance. Please note that besides the selection of atoms or molecules in the workspace, we also use the term selection to refer to selecting entries in the entry list. The selection scope is used to indicate the level of selection. For example, if it is set to atoms, then we will be selecting individual atoms in the workspace. If it is set to molecules, we will be selecting molecules and so on. A letter will always appear next to the cursor reminding you of your current selection scope. A for atoms, M for molecules, etc. With the selection scope set to atoms, include the TICL4 entry in the workspace, and select one of the chlorine atoms by left-clicking on the atom. You'll notice that the selected atom now contains a box around it. Select another using the Shift or CMD key depending on your operating system. Again, MS Maestro uses a select first paradigm. So now that these atoms are selected, they are ready to be operated on. In addition to selecting with our mouse, the toolbar also has several useful selection tools built in, including a Select All button, a Clear Selection button, and several custom quick selects. Click the Clear Selection button, and then quick select metal atoms. Notice that the titanium atom is now selected. The atom is now selected, and we can operate on it. For example, we could change its color to cyan using the Style palette. We could also right-click to interact with it in other ways. Now quick select all atoms and change their representation to a thin tube representation. Take some time to practice selecting and styling in the workspace. While it is useful to manually change the rendering in the workspace, there are also some handy presets that you can use to apply many rendering steps at once. You should now be comfortable with selecting and rendering atoms.